Well, last night I traveled back to my parents for the opener of turkey season. Was able to drive around a little bit, got here in time to roost a couple birds. Had a couple go in, 2 longbeards go and 2 jakes go in a path. So I'm gonna give that a go. My dad found a couple other birds in another spot, so I gave him my GoPro. So hopefully he can figure out how to turn that thing on and film. But we'll see what happens. We got 2 decent opportunities here, and after that I think I'm gonna go meet up with him. We're gonna bounce around some spots if we don't have all our tags filled, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can at least knock 1 or 2 down this morning and then go from there. Gotta go out and get set up in the blind. Got a good guide, my dad, so he's got a couple blinds set up. It's nice, it's spitting a little rain, so it'd be nice to stay dry. Alright, we'll see what happens.
Got him right there. Got another one over there. So I got 2. Awesome hunt. Awesome hunt. Still a big one. should have had Brandon with me. We could have had 3, but I got 2. Well, that was a fun hunt. I still won within 30 yards right now. Let's see him prior to this, but that first one came out. I think I blew the camera right off the gun, so you might not see much of that one. And then I kept calling for these guys, and these 2 came in side by side. I had to be careful I didn't double on those. If it had been the first one, it would have been different. But this one here is at about 12 yards. So he folded pretty good. But the first one's probably a 30-yard shot. He came out and he got a little nervous. But these 2 here, they were looking at the decoy and they were ready to come right in. A couple hens in front of them. But just a fun hunt. Second year in a row I've doubled right here. Last year it was 1 shot for 2 big toms, and this year it took me 2 shots, but probably about 15 minutes apart. Great day in the turkey woods. Hopefully Brandon's got some good news too. He doesn't have service, so I don't know what the deal is with him, but we'll catch up with him and go after another one if he needs to. Otherwise, last year he doubled and I doubled. So catch you in a couple minutes.